Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 186 different strategies, with 60 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. So far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 76 of the other strategies that we have put it against. Every strategy so far. We've also tested a total of 998 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says the secret weapon of scalpers, TradingView's best scalping indicator. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this scalping strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the swing trade signals indicator, this one right here. We'll add that to the screen, and we'll go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the inputs you're going to change the EMA value to 14, the SMA value to 44, and the overbought to 70, the oversold to 30, and you'll click OK. You can also go in and under the styles, you can, if you want, bump up the opacity and the line weight of the color 0, color 1, and color 2, even though it's not actually necessary in the strategy itself. Nonetheless, we'll go ahead and move on to the next indicator. It's going to be the 10 indicators in one indicator. This one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. Again, we'll go ahead and jump in to the settings, and under the inputs you're going to change the fast EMA to 100, the slow EMA to 200. You're going to change the fast moving average to 45 and the slow moving average to 90. Then click over to the styles. You're going to turn off the EMA cross, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to turn off the pivot right here. Click OK, and you should have what I have on screen now. So what we're looking for is when the swing trade signals gives us either a buy signal or a sell signal. And when it gives us, for example, a sell signal, like right here, you're then going to look down to the 10 in 1, and you want all the boxes to be red. Red of some sort. Even though this is kind of brown, consider that to be red. And if all those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. We're going to set our stop just right above the last swing, right about there. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. In this case, be about right there. Let's play this forward and see what we get out of it. Now you see there that we make a pretty nice steady climb straight down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be a buy tag, buy signal right here from the swing trade signals indicator. We're then again going to look down to the 10 in 1, and we want all the boxes to be green of some sort. Again, sometimes they're this dark green, but green nonetheless. And once again, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long trade. We're going to set our stop right below the last swing, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, and you see that we make a steady climb up there, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy here. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting it at a 32% win rate. And with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $13,600 in total, means that your total altogether would have been negative $4,000. Definitely not TradingView's best scalping indicator by no means. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 51 trades altogether. We had 44 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $26,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,460 for a total gain of $20,940. Significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. This one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame each week. So last week we did 10 trades on the Forex pairs. We had 7 winning trades, 3 losing trades, putting it at a 77% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,950. On the crypto coin, we had 5 trades, 2 winning, 3 losing, a 40% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of $1,140. For a total gain on the week, we would have been up $810. Add that to our weekly total, and now for 11 weeks, we would have been up $23,140 altogether. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.